in Birmingham has issued a tornado.
But first, next Saturday, get ready for danger.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Bay County in Florida, southwestern Walton County in Florida, until 3:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Freeport, moving southwest at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Panama City Beach, Ebro, West Bay, Freeport, Seaside, Vicksburg, Bruce, Sand Hills, Sand Lake, and Risotto Beach. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Bay and Walton,